घर की शादी की जेरी निकाली 1 साल के लिए करेंगी।
Heavenly Father, in response to your loving call to follow your Son Jesus and to consecrate myself without reserve to the service of the Church for the salvation of all.
I, Sister Fatana Battar.
I, Sister Nadia Lazar.
I, Sister Gloria Mansoor.
I, Sister Sonia Lawrence.
I, Sister Cynthia Emmanuel. I, Sister Sana Yaqub.
I, Sister Naina Sabir.
Here and now in your hands, Sister Nargis Sadiq, Provincial Superior, vow poverty, chastity and obedience for 1 year, according to the rule and life of the brothers and sisters of the Third Order, regular of St. Francis, and the constitution of the congregation of the Franciscan Missionaries of Christ the King, relying on the merciful love of Jesus, the intercession of Mary our Mother, and Saint Francis, and supported by the prayers of my sisters, I hope to accomplish what I now promise.
जब तक सिस्टर्स घर से तो